Okay, in this video I would like to show a very cool feature I have added to i3 through scripts, and it's very useful in my opinion because okay, suppose you're on i3. Okay, you have, with the default shortcuts, you have about 10 workspaces that you can choose from, all the way from 1 to 10. And if you want more, the problem is, how can you get more? Well, you need more shortcuts. If you follow this kind of configuration, you have the workspaces, and then you do like, okay, bind sim mod 1. In my case it's alt 1, alt 2, alt 3, 4, 5, and so on up to 0 for all of the 10 workspaces which you're using, and then for the move thingies, and you know. But the thing is, what if you want more? Well, I tried to extend this with something as basic as probably mod control H workspace number, I don't know, WS, well, not number, but okay, yeah, that number, and 100 or just 11. Now if you restart this, it will, and press Alt Control H, it will put you on the 11th workspace. So that's cool, but you will need to put much more shortcuts, and you will have to update all of them depending on if you want to move a container or not. It's just a pain in the ass. So what to do if you actually want more, or if you want to choose dynamically on which one you want to go? Well, this is where my new script comes in, because I did a bit of research, and you have this thing called i3 message, and it allows you to send messages and communicate with the i3 window manager through the command line. So say you want to go to the 4th workspace, you can type i3 message workspace 4, and it will just send you right there. So yeah, it has some kind of JSON API, and you know, pretty cool stuff. So okay, how do we actually implement this now? Well, I imagine something like you have, I don't know, Rofi, the menu, and you get here like a, you know, a question like, okay, which workspace do you want to go to? You enter the number, or you choose from one of the ones that you're already using, and it will send you there. Yeah, we can do something like that. So okay, it starts with, okay, i3 message, which, you know, firstly we gotta collect all of the workspaces that are currently in use. So i3 message and t get workspaces, I think it was. Yes, workspace. Okay. If we parse this with JLess, you can see it's just an array of workspaces. It has an ID, each one, the number, the name, if it's visible, the output, which monitor it is on. You can check that with what is it called, xrender. And okay, urgent, the size, whatever. We don't give a shit about that. We just care about the number. So okay, fair, you know, fair. We can do i3 message t get workspaces and parse it with JQ. If you don't know JQ, it basically just a JSON parser for the command line. If you want to parse, for example, if you want to return all of the numbers or names or visible or whatever from every entry, you go into the array, because it's an array, and then for every element you output the field name, and it will output the name field of every element. But so if, say you wanted the number, there you go, or maybe output, it will show you the output, but we wanted the number. So okay, this way we fetched all of the workspaces, and we can now throw this into the menu with not the menu, Rofi, with the menu flag, because I use Rofi, I don't use the menu anymore. I find it way more customizable, and yeah, just, I don't know, use whatever the hell you want to use. P for the label, for the prompt, and it will be like go to workspace, or just go to, yeah, just something like that. And that's it. And now you have all of your workspaces here, and you can choose one of them. For example, 7. And as you can see, it outputs 7. It sends to the std out whichever thing you have chosen. If you want to go to 99, press enter, it will just, you know, throw that out. So okay, now we just store this into a variable choice, store its output, and for example say we want 7. If we now echo choice, we get that. And the last thing that just remained is i3 message, and then executing the command to switch to that choice. So workspace and choice. Boom, and it switched. The workspace 7 is on the other monitor, so you didn't see that. But say we do it once again, like 99. You can see it's 99. And now I execute this command, and it will send me to 99. Okay, fair. So I'm going to create a script for this. Workspace workspace switcher .sh, and it will be just a quick little script. So we have i3 message d get workspaces, and then we said, what was it, JQ number to get all of the numbers, and Rofi, pipe it into Rofi with dmenu p, go to, that's it. And then just switch to that workspace. So now I can chmod +x scripts this and execute it. Let's see, switcher, boom. Let's say 99, and it will just send me there. Nice. Now we can create a shortcut for this. I'm gonna put it here, and I will just change the location later, but yeah, just to prove my point. Workspace switcher script, and bind sim mod plus control plus h, execute. What was the flag that I needed at the beginning? No, startup ID. No, startup ID. Home unknown scripts, and what do you call it? SS switcher, sh. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So now you press Alt Control H, and it will just prompt you with something, and you type 100, 99, 80, 70, whatever the hell you want. Actually, yeah, actually whatever the hell you want. It will just put you there, and that's it. Even my -1, what the fuck? Oh yeah, that's because this is the -1. It kinda overflowed. Fair. But I will change. I will fix that. And you know how? Well, with this way. I will put here the number flag, the number thing option, whatever it's called. So now it will require me to actually insert an actual number. Yeah. So if I just enter whatever, it will not send me there because it's not a number. Okay, fair. So that's it. I just wanted to share this script, and I think it's kinda useful. And hopefully educational for all of you. I'm slowly starting to get used to the JQ, if I could type, JQ tool, and I find it actually really cool because I never worked that much with JSON through the command line. I mean, the only tool I used to know was JLess, and I sometimes use JQ, but it was in those times I just, you know, Googled or ChatGPT the answer, and that was it. But now that I know I sort of got a feel for how it works, it's a lot, you know, better, and I like it. So yeah, that was it.